Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by parking the Chevy Traverse on a level surface and turning off the ignition. Set the wipers to the service position if available. Measure blade lengths. Driver 24 inches, passenger 17 inches, and buy OEM or high-quality replacements. Lift the wiper arm slowly until it stands about 3.5 inches away from the glass to give clearance. Use a small flathead screwdriver and new blades compatible with the Traverse, and lay down a towel to protect the windshield in case the arm snaps back. With the arm raised, rotate the blade so the wiper hook faces up and you can see the release tab clearly. Rotate the blade to align the release tab and press it while sliding the blade off the hook, pulling straight to avoid bending the arm. Support the arm with one hand to avoid snapping it back onto the windshield and causing damage. Dispose old blades safely and clean the rubber channel and contact points with rubbing alcohol to remove dirt and oils before installing new blades. Choose the correct adapter on the replacement blade if required, then align the adapter with the wiper arm hook and slide the new blade on slowly. Slide the new blade onto the hook until the release tab clicks and the blade seats securely. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is locked. Lower the arm gently back onto the glass and test at low, medium, and high speeds using washer fluid. Check for streaks, gaps, or skipping. Replace if performance is poor or if a blade is defective.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.